Hey Cougars, welcome back. Here we go. Part 3 of how to use our online textbook. Today we're going to look at something called the lesson game. Let's say we have gone through all of Chapter 1, the first Americans. We finished Section 12, American Indians in the Southeast. We've done all the interactive notebooks for it. Now I may assign you the lesson game for it. And we'll talk about how you get assignments and where you see them and all that here in a little bit. But for today, we're going to look at the lesson game. So we click on lesson game in the middle of that toolbar at the top, and eventually up pops a game. Each chapter, and you can see here there's all 29 chapters. Each chapter has its own game associated with it. And it's one game per chapter. It's not one game per every section. So the game for Chapter 1, The First Americans, is called The Matrix of Knowledge. It's kind of like a Jeopardy game. You have point values that go up. You can answer each question. There are 10 points per category, 5 categories. And if you notice right here, it says section 2 and 3. All of the questions in that first column will come from sections 2 and 3, migration and adaptation. Then sections 4 and 5, 6 through 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, as you can see, I've already answered a couple of them. Well, Timmy Turner's answered a couple of them. We can go to the next one. Question 3, American Indians were able to adapt to different environments by taking on the customs of other people, eating only wild fruits, wild birds and other small animals, living in small family groups, or using natural resources for food, clothing, and shelter. Well, if we're talking about adapting to environments, you're going to use natural resources for your food, clothing, and shelter. That makes sense. Let's go with D. Checking the answer. Hey, correct. I've earned 3 points. Now, like I said, each section has a different one. This is chapter 10's. It's called Crack the Code, where you answer questions and it builds a picture, and you use the last picture to answer the final question. So you've got all of these game options. I will assign them. You can do them, when they're assigned after you get done with the reading, and you get scores for it. The scores come back to me, and they will be part of your grade for the class. Tomorrow or the next episode, we will talk about how to check your scores, see what your assignments are, that kind of thing. So that's it for this episode. Thanks a lot, Cougars, and we'll catch you later.